Good morning, honey.
Good morning.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did.
Let's start our day.
Sounds great. Let's make the bed.
Good idea.
It looks better already.
A clean room feels nice.
I agree.
Did you sleep enough?
Yes,
You look happy today.
because it's a new day.
Me too.
Cold water feels nice.
It wakes me up.
Now I feel fresh.
Me too.
Let's get dressed.
Do you like this shirt?
Yes, it looks nice. You look beautiful.
Thank you.
Let's go downstairs. I will cook the eggs.
I will make toast.
Breakfast smells good.
Yes, it does.
I'm hungry.
How is the breakfast?
It is delicious.
I'm glad.
Thank you for helping.
You're welcome.
Are you ready?
Almost.
Don't forget your phone.
Thank you.
Let's go.
The weather is nice.
Yes, it's beautiful.
I love sunny mornings.
Me too.
Let's have a wonderful day.
Traffic is light today.
That's good.
We will arrive early.
Have a wonderful day at work.
You too. Here we are.
We arrived early.
Have a great morning.
You too.
See you this evening.
Take care.
I will.
Don't work too hard.
I won't.
See you later.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Let's begin.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
Are you busy?
Yes, a little.
Can I help?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Would you like some coffee?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm very well.
That's nice. I like this shirt.
It looks great.
Can I try it?
Of course.
Thank you.
How is your day?
It's going well. How about yours?
Very busy.
I'm glad we can eat together. Lunch was delicious.
Yes, it was.
I feel better now.
Me too.
Let's go back to work.
See you after work.
See you this evening.
Have a good afternoon.
You too.
Bye for now.
Welcome home.
Thank you. It feels good to be home.
Was work busy today?
Yes, but everything went well.
Come inside and relax. Here is your tea.
Thank you very much.
I hope it helps you relax.
It already does.
I'm happy to hear that. How was your afternoon?
It was a little busy.
Did you finish your work?
Yes, I finished everything.
That's wonderful.
I'm getting hungry now.
Me too.
What should we cook?
Let's make something simple.
Great idea.
Can you wash the vegetables?
Of course.
I'll cook the pasta.
Everything smells delicious.
Dinner will be ready soon.
This tastes wonderful.
I'm glad you like it.
Thank you for cooking.
You're welcome.
Dinner is always better together.
The evening is beautiful.
Yes, the air feels fresh.
I enjoy walking with you.
Me too.
Let's come again tomorrow.
Today was a good day.
Yes, it really was.
Thank you for everything.
Good night.
Sleep well.